Hi, my name is Chris Adoba. I'm a calibration engineer with Nostrum High Performance. We're running our Q50 this weekend at Battle Creek Speedfest. This car has AMS Performance parts and Nostrum's high pressure fuel system. It's making approximately 600 wheel horsepower on the dyno. Today we came out, it's a hot weekend, so we came out making 500 horsepower and we've been stepping it up with each race. If you're interested more in our cars and our parts, please visit nostrumshop.com.